In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Blender's volumetric particles to create this scene in 5 minutes. Let's create a cube. I'll also create a UV sphere. S to scale. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. Shift Z to wireframe view. Let's add particles to the sphere. Please match my settings. This is what usually happens when we add particles to a mesh. In order to fill the sphere with the cubes, we need to activate the volumetric particle settings. Go to Source, and change the settings like this. Now the sphere is filled with the cubes. As usual, I have applied a set of random color nodes. I'll share the fully zoomed nodes shortly. Here are the full nodes. This material is for the cubes, not the sphere. We must either fill the background sphere with black, or remove it from the scene after making all instances real. I have set the camera's focal length to 12, to improve the visualization. The camera has constraints to a circular curve, and an empty object to rotate around the world center. I'll show you how I have set the final values for all the settings from the prototype production run. I have selected the sphere, and pressed Ctrl A to make instances real. Then I have removed the sphere. The final scene only has cubes that were automatically generated as particles. Lastly, I'll show you how the camera animation was arranged. The camera's location and rotation where values were set to 0, and it's following the curve and tracking the empty object via constraints. Here are my settings. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.